In this video, we are going to discuss about mystery of Santiago flight 350. We all love to discuss about flights, planes. You know, we get excited about it because it's part of our travel experience, and we love to travel, right? So and see the world, and it's part of our travel journey. इस फ्लाइट के बारे में इस वीडियो में जो मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ, it's a very mind-boggling mystery in the aviation industry. तो काफ़ी सारे थियोरीज तो होते ही हैं व्हेनेवर इट कम्स टू अनसॉल्व्ड मिस्ट्री. तो काफ़ी सारे थियोरीज हैं, कॉन्स्पिरेसी थियोरीज हैं. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट एंड विल गेट टू नो इन दिस केस स्टडी कि क्या हुआ था इस केस में. सो लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द केस. ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स अ वीडियो हैज़ बीन गोइंग वायरल about a plane called Santiago Flight 513 which vanished in 1954 and reappeared in 1989. As the story goes, Santiago Flight 513 took off from Aachen, Germany with 92 people on board and vanished without a trace en route to Brazil. Decades later, in 1989, rumors swirled that the missing plane had reappeared. Santiago Flight 513 supposedly landed at its intended destination in Brazil after 35 years, shocking air traffic control and sparking a media frenzy. Lack of credible evidence. There are no records of any airline named Santiago Airlines or a flight numbered 513 disappearing in 1954. Additionally, Aachen in Germany is not known for its major airport, nor for having a significant international airport. Hence, no transatlantic flight could have taken off from here. So let's talk about more details कि क्या हुआ था और ये किसके बारे में ये न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल्स बात कर रहे हैं. On the 4th of September 1954, the flight was scheduled to travel from Germany to Porto Alegre International Airport, which is an 18 hours flight. फ्लाइट के कैप्टन है मिगवेल विक्टर क्यूरी. प्लेन अटलांटिक ओशन के ऊपर पहुंचती है और रेडार से गायब हो जाती है. ATC में मीटिंग रखी जाती है और ब्राज़ील और जर्मनी के टॉप लीडर्स मीटिंग में इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं. They thought that the plane must have crashed in the Atlantic Ocean and must be in the depths of the ocean. तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि सर्च ऑपरेशंस कंडक्ट की गई और सर्च टीम्स भेजी गई अटलांटिक ओशन को. So they thought that the plane must have been part of a tragedy and the plane must have crashed, and then they send the search teams there to search in the Atlantic Ocean for any debris of the plane. But there was no debris found in the Atlantic Ocean of that flight. Or they keep searching and then ये search operation 2 साल तक चला, and then they decided to call off the search operation. On the 12th of October 1989, plane reappears in Porto Alegre International Airport. ATC gets info and tries contacting them, but there was no response from the plane. वो वही फ्लाइट है जो कि सैंटियागो एयरलाइंस है और वो कंपनी 1956 को ही बंद हो चुकी थी. They checked the flight and they found all skeletons inside the plane. How did the plane land if no one was alive? That's a very big question. So the theory is that they were part of a time travel, and when the plane went inside the time travel, it disappeared for 35 years. Another theory that the plane went inside a black hole and they all died due to the radiation. Theories का सिलसिला कंटिन्यू होता है और बहुत सारे लोगों को लगा कि ये एक एलियन अबडक्शन भी हो सकता है. जाने देते हैं थियरी को. Another theory, even I personally believe in this theory, that the plane was made to disappear and it was part of a big conspiracy, and you know plane को जानबूझकर disappear कराया गया क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग maybe they were enemies of that company and then they wanted that company to be shut down, and then they didn't want that company to be successful, and because of that the company जो 1956 में बंद हो चुकी थी and on their plan in a way succeeded. If it was part of a conspiracy theory, it did succeed in that. The airlines got shut down in 1956. तो अर्विन फिशर जो कि एक जर्नलिस्ट हैं, he published a story and it went viral in the public. However, he did not provide any proof, जैसे कि उन्होंने कोई photos provide नहीं की plane की या photo that the skeletons were found inside the plane, he did not provide any proof of that. So some people believe the story about time travel, about black hole. Not many people believed in the alien abduction wali story, तो and some people did not believe in any of the theories, time travel wali theory, black hole wali theory, alien abduction wali theory, क्योंकि when I discussed in the video कि the newspaper article they did publish that the complete story is fake and people believe that ये story fake ही है. They did not believe that कोई plane 35 years तक गायब रहा. When the plane took off in 1954, the plane reappeared in 1989. 35 years तक plane गायब रहा और they did not believe that कोई plane इतने साल तक गायब हो सकता है. So this is a story. I know it's a very very intriguing story and even I believe that सारे aviation history में this is one of the most mind-boggling stories I've come across. And what are your thoughts about this case? कमेंट करके बताइए हमें. और जो लोग मेरे चैनल को ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब कर चुके हैं, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू ऑल्सो क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट आपको मेरे सारे वीडियोस की notifications मिलती रहेंगी. People who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I upload true crime documentaries, mysteries, and a lot of interesting stuff and content. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the full video. और कौन सी mystery आप लोग देखना चाहेंगे मेरी अगली वीडियोस में, आप कमेंट करके बताइए. And stay safe, take care, and मिलते हैं अगले वीडियोस में.